Welcome back to the channel. We're at National Toronto Pearson Airport on a Sunday evening. We got a lot of cars in here, so I thought I'd do a quick update for you guys. Just a quick reminder, go ahead and click that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed. If you want to see more of these, go ahead and click that like button. And we'll start things off here with Premier Selection. And in National Premier Selection, we've got actually two of these GLC 300 Mercedes SUVs. And then we got a plug-in, this is actually one of my favorites here, we got a plug-in Volvo S60 T8 Polestar package on there. And these are actually really nice. Looks like this one's got the Harman Kardon stereo. It's got the sunroof in it. And just kind of show you guys real quick in here. But the great thing about these is they'll run, I think they go about 30 kilometers on a charge before the gas engine kicks in. And depending on how you set it, both the gas and the electric engines will kick in. And I think it gives you the equivalent up to 400 horsepower. So we got another of these Mercedes SUVs, and then we'll just quickly run down here. We got a couple RAV4s. We got a Jeep Compass. Another RAV4 here coming up. Got a Ford Escape, and then a Chevy, is this an Equinox? Yeah, Chevy Equinox. Actually two of them here, and then this is kind of like the overflow of new cars coming in. Again, it's Sunday night here, so as cars get returned and cleaned, they kind of end up in the overflow here and eventually end up in the aisle. So lots of cars. Sunday, great time to pick up, as I imagine Monday morning would be too. So if we just kind of walk over here, this is the other side of the executive aisle here. We got another Ford Escape at the end, and we got a VW wagon, Jeep Compass, Ford Edge here, one of these Mitsubishi SUVs, and we got a Ford Escape, and then we got a Kia. Actually, I think these are, I always forget the name of these, but I think these are fairly new too. Mazda CX-9, another RAV4, Chevy Equinox, we got a VW wagon here. And then if we switch over, so that's the end of the executive aisle here. Actually, before we switch over, I'll let you kind of see. So this is like basically the SUV overflow here. So there's like tons of SUVs, trucks, kind of all buried in there. If you got a reservation for one, they can pull one out for you. And if we go down the Emerald aisle here, we got another VW sedan. I think these are Jettas. I got a Mazda, I don't know if it's a CX-3 or if it's a little bit smaller. We've got a Corolla, got a Kia, another Hyundai here, another VW, Corolla, another one of these Kia SUVs here. And then I was looking at this a little bit earlier. It's really low to the ground. I think it's just the way it's parked here on a bit of an angle. But it's a Honda Civic, so we don't see too many of those here. And one thing I noticed is it's got, so it doesn't even have aluminum wheels on it, it's got hubcaps on it. But still pretty nice overall. Okay, we got a smaller Hyundai SUV, another of these Mitsubishis, and we got another Ford Escape here. And I think that's it for the aisles. Let's just do a quick tour over the Alamo kind of reserve section and over Enterprise. We'll do a quick walk through there. All right, let's pick up things over here at Enterprise. And just a quick reminder, again, Sunday night here, but a quick reminder, Enterprise, Alamo, and National all share the same fleet. So even though they have cars kind of separated for reservations, it's pretty much the same fleet. We got a RAV4, we got an Escape, we got one of these Dodge Charger GTs. We got a Hyundai, and we got a Durango. It's not the RT Hemi. Those are still pretty nice, good size. Got, looks like a Toyota Highlander coming up here. And they got a couple Santa Fe's here. If we go down the other side, they got a Corolla. A couple more SUVs. We got a BMW SUV, Colorado pickup truck, Ford Escape. And oh, got one of these Buick SUVs. Don't see these too often. Let me see if we'll come back to see if I can get around to that here. Got a couple Ford Edges. Not too much more down here. We got an Edge, Escape, Jeep Sahara, Wrangler, a burgundy color. What you see over here is some more Reserve, some return cars coming in. There's a Maximo from Nova Scotia. I just wanted to see what this Buick was. Oh, the Enclave, that's right. That's right, we might have even taken a look at that a little bit earlier. Let's just, again, this is the returns here. Some Mustang convertible over on the other side. And this is kind of sort of where they have some of the upgrades on the end aisle here. But again, this would just all be reserve cars for Enterprise. We've got a Ford Edge, we've got a Santa Fe, a Chrysler 300, a Toyota 4Runner, and a couple of these Mercedes. I think these are 220s. Dodge Charger GT, fairly new. And we've got an Escape and another of those Mercedes. Okay, let's pick up things. This is, the signs say Alamo, but this is just kind of National Alamo Enterprise Reserve here. We've got a couple Mustang Coupes, not the GT. We've got a Jaguar SUV, BMW 3 Series. You can hear somebody's got a 5-liter Mustang up ahead. Or these, they got a bunch of these GLC 300s. We got a Ford Explorer. These Mercedes SUVs. Mustang convertible, 2 of them here, and then we got the 5-liter Mustang with a stripe on it. And oh boy, we got a bunch of these Expeditions that I often call excursions. So these are the newer ones. That's an older one, and then that's an Explorer. These are kind of parked together. I know you guys like to see the SUVs. Let me see if I can squeeze and give you a peek in here. One of these here. Wow, lots of room. Lots of room. How many miles? Okay, we got 11,000 kilometers on it. Oh, it's pretty nice. It's got the upgraded B&O sound system in here. Full leather interior. Has it got the sunroof? I think so. Yeah, it's got the sunroof. So I can't open the doors any wider here. It's really squeezed in. Oh boy. Captain's chairs in the back here. Lots of room. And then, of course, there's like another one in the back. I'm going to try and stick the camera and see if you guys can see. I can barely get in here. Wow, that's really nice. I like the burgundy interior too. Is this a Max? No, it's a Limited. Okay, so that's the Expedition Limited. There's an older Expedition. Yeah, this is a Limited. And yeah, these are all Limited, so these are all roughly the same. Oh boy, let's see if I can get through here. Okay. There's another one over there. Got a Chevy, I think Chevy Traverse, Charger GT. Got a smaller BMW, maybe a 2 Series. Another Ford Explorer. The Explorers are really nice. Another BMW, Mustang convertible. Yeah, they got lots of these Mercedes SUVs in. Got a Colorado, a couple 300s. And I'll just kind of walk through the rest of Reserve here, but I think that's going to wrap it up. Thanks everyone for watching. Go ahead, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and click that like button if you want to see more of these videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. We'll just wrap it up here with this Volvo S60. All right, see you guys in the next one.